Well folks, welcome back. As you can probably tell, I've got the umbrella out here because it's still raining here in central Ontario. Nonetheless, I want to give you guys an update. And that update is on something I've been asked about quite a few times. And what that is, it's a Sunforce LED motion sensor security light. I think I got that right. But I bought that. Darn bugs. I bought that about, I don't know, last January. And I did a video on it in order to give you guys an idea what you're going to get in the box. Now, this light retails at Lowe's Canada for about $97, and I think you can get it on Amazon for about $90, so probably in the US it's a bit cheaper. But I want to give you a long-term update. It's been 8 months since I put this thing up initially, and my initial thoughts, I'll put in the video down below, but my initial thoughts on this was it was a pretty good product. And you really never know how good the product's going to be until you put it out through the harsh Canadian winter. And although it's raining right now, it pretty much snowed this year for 6 solid months. And so when I say, geez, bugs are so bad. And when I say snow, I mean like it snows. It was covered in snow for several months. Now, I go up and I wipe it off, but it's still got little bits of crystals of snow all packed in there tight for several months a year. Now, we do get some freezing and thawing cycles here, so that means there was also some ice packed in there. And so I want to give you an update on how it's held up long term over those 8 months. So right here behind me, you'll have to excuse my junk piles, but right here behind me, you'll see the Sunforce light. It's literally sat in this spot, stationary, for the last 8 months. I've made some adjustments here and there. I've adjusted this, I've adjusted the sides, I've done all that sort of thing in order to optimize where the light goes. But for the most part, the only thing that's really changed on this in the last 8 months of negative 30 Celsius all the way to positive or plus 30 Celsius weather is some slight dirt that got on it from probably birds and all kinds of critters floating around up there. Now, overall, I would say this thing has been a solid performer. I would buy it again. Now, let me reiterate, I am not sponsored. I didn't get this for free. This was purchased by me for 97 whatever dollars, over 100 Canadian. And it's been a real solid product. Just to prove to you how bright it still is, if you ever wanted this thing to come on and it wasn't nighttime, hence the security feature isn't going to come on, you would come up to the side and there's a little, there's a little switch there. Let's turn that on. And as you can tell, that thing is as bright as the day I bought it. So that thing, I think it's got 2 AA or 3 AA batteries in the back. I think it's 2. But it has remained sealed with the gasket that's provided really, really well. So that's an overall bonus in my books. Just to give you guys a bit of a reminder, this thing gives you up to about 30 feet of security. So what that means is if you're 30 feet away and you're moving at night, the motion detector will sense it and then it will cause the lights to come on. In my experience, I've found that this thing will stay on for about, give or take, 2 minutes when I'm working in front of it and I stop. I've used it just as a typical light out here working on the boat or other equipment, as well as over at the shop where I have another light. And as long as I keep moving, the light doesn't go off. I've never had an issue where the batteries run out. I'm sure if maybe I had it stay on for, 10 hours or 12 or 15 hours, maybe those batteries would run dry. But in my experience, those are the original batteries. I've never had to touch them. That solar panel regenerates the energy in those batteries, and hence I hope I never have to touch those batteries. Okay, so for the most part, if you're going to use this for security, it's great. If you're going to use this as a normal work light somewhere where you don't have electricity, it's also great. My 2 cents is buy this light. I would buy it again. And if you guys look way up here at the top of my shop, I got an exact replica of the other light right here. This one's exposed to the elements even more. And thus, that's why I think this product's really solid and going to last a long time. So there's my 2 cents. For me, I know I'll be buying more of these because I've got all kinds of other projects where I don't have electricity out at the property. And so I'll be putting these up in those places. In the meantime, if you guys have questions, be sure to put them down below in the comments. And if you could do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button. And we'll catch you guys all next time.